Hi, my name's M2 and I'm one of the developers behind Cantosino, a new protocol that allows users to provide liquidity to generate bigger prize pools where other users participate to try and win them. In the whole scheme of things, the prize pools grow exponentially and the fees that are collected are shared between everyone in the protocol that's providing it. That would be what is Cantosino in the grand scheme of things. Now we're going to dwell in what we have right now operative, because we've got a long list of different things that we want to build on top of Canto using the CSR to try and move away from winning fees to purely, operating fees of each game that is being played. Now, to achieve this whole system, we've got our first main product, that is the lending. Um, Users basically deposit into our lending protocol and their funds are redirected inside the different games to generate a bigger prize pool. Now we pay back a fixed interest that is based on the fees that we're charging in different games, and all the debt that is generated gets paid back over time as the games close, because they depend on different things, right? We'll go a little bit further details right now. So for example, right now in the jackpots, we have three different categories of games. They all follow the same logic, which is basically depending on the amount that you deposit, you have a bigger win or loss chance. In our case, the jackpot has available for when the rounds end to anyone. They can claim a little percentage of the jackpot. So it constantly is being used or is active, right? The timer will end, and then because the smart contract needs an interaction, well, there's a little reward for it. Another one of the products that's very similar to the jackpot, it's basically the same. The only difference is the maximum players is the coin flips, where users again place bets, and depending on the amount that they've placed the bet, well, they have a higher or lower chance. And our current last game is the King of Rugs, which is a game that basically gets an exponential growth in the prize pools, because every new deposit needs to beat the previous one. And the last current active deposit is the winner that can claim the whole pot. So there is a lot of gamification here, or a lot of plays that can be done. And we're really aiming to explore different type of styles of games based on this kind of premise. In general, users can see the whole information of the protocol, all the stats, and the rest of the details is just up for anyone else to find out how we operate, what's our white paper, what's the exact details behind this, because in 3 minutes it's going to be nearly impossible. So I hope you check us out. It's fully operating in testnet, and we hope to see you soon.